Hi everyone, I'm Chen. Welcome to Flyingvoice. Today we will talk about the new technology to replace the POS line. There is no doubt that POS line will retire, and the replacement option is not just an issue about cost, but also about the service reliability. As copper line ages, it's getting harder and harder to maintain, and the service outage risk is rising. Compared with the digital solution, which can be monitored status and be repaired remotely, once copper line services outage happen, it will cost more and it takes longer time to restore the service. VoIP offers better technology of transmitting voice over IP networks. Major unified communication have proved that VoIP works well in the digital phone calls and video calls. While in replacing the POS line, it still requires the physical media to solve the last mile of internet access. Telecom providers in the United States provide the LTE and 5G internet services. It's a metro, reliable, and wide coverage telecom technology. In general, the connection through the cellular network is very stable. The probabilities of the service's outage is very low. Therefore, we believe that the VoIP plus the cellular technology is the best answer for POS replacement. Now, let's look at how to smoothly transfer from voice and fax to new technology. Moving analog phone to VoIP is not complex. You could replace by IP phone, or just keep your analog phone by using the analog telephone adapter, which connects to the cloud PBX. Moving fax machine to VoIP will require a specific protocol. One advantage of VoIP is compression. It combines data, voice, and video broken into packets and transfer them over a SIP network. However, fax cannot be compressed because it disturbs the signal from the fax machine, so that it cannot be understood. And the VoIP can delay or drop a packet during transmission. Even 1% packet loss can kill the entire fax transmission. In Flyingvoice fax solution, we support T.38 standard protocol. We also support the T.37, which is widely used in online fax applications. Based on this protocol, Flyingvoice developed our own solution. You no longer need to send and receive the fax through the emails. Keep the traditional way with your fax machine. Like the traditional fax sending and receiving, users did not need to change their operating habits. If you want to know more details about this solution, please check the flyingvoice.com for POS replacement. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.